All right, welcome back with part 2 of this video. So we found out that this is something that you can stick on your nose. It's gummy and it's magnetic. So we'll have to test that out in a video where you guys can see my face. But for now, that's pretty cool and it seems to work quite well. I guess you get 2 of these things here if you want to give one to a friend or if one breaks. Let's see, what is this all about here? It's got it's nicely packaged in a little Ziploc. And voila, voilas. Looks like this is what they call a, this goes on your face. It looks like a torture device, but I'm probably sure it's not. Anyways, think it may stop you from grinding, and you can put it on your face and your chin, I think. But we'll have to do a video on that too. Anyway.
Likey.